Hi, I'm Rob Commerce with Commerce Water Company. We're often asked, how does a water softener work? Well, I just want to go over the basic principles of a water softener and how it softens your water. The first main component of a water softening system is the mineral tank. That's the tank that holds your ion exchange resin. The ion exchange resin is a material that looks a lot like this, that is made of a polymer substance. It has a negative ion charge to it. That's just the opposite positive charge that the dissolved rock mineral in your water, so therefore it will cling to this media. And that's essentially how it's removed from the water. So the mechanics of it, when the water is drawn into your home, as you shower, do laundry, and so forth, the water is then drawn into the system, rinsed through the ion exchange bed. It is at that point instantaneously that the hardness minerals are clinging to these beads, and therefore the soft water is produced. It's drawn in to the home through a distributor tube at the center of the water softener itself. That is drawn up and servicing the home. Now, over the course of time, as you use water, the ion exchange bed is going to get saturated with that hardness mineral. Once that occurs, it's what we call an exhausted bed. At that point, the unit needs to be regenerated. And for the regeneration process, you use salt. That is the second main component of your water softening system. The brine tank is filled with salt. It just simply melts salt into a brine solution. When the unit calls for regeneration, the brine is going to be drawn into this main component of the water softener. Prior to that, the unit's going to go through a backwashing cycle. That's where fresh water is just drawn into the unit, down through the distributor, and it'll blow up from the bottom up to expand the bed of the ion exchange media. That is going to loosen debris from the top that goes to the drain. The next phase of the regeneration, the brine is drawn in, then the ion exchange process occurs. The hardness is released from the ion exchange media. That too goes to drain. The final stage of the regeneration process is where the ion exchange media bed is recompacted, and we're also refilling the brine tank. The brine tank will have water added to it for the next regeneration. That's basically how the water softening system works. Really, the only thing you need to be focused on is making sure you have salt in your water softening tank. If you have any more questions about that, you can call Commerce at 763-252-7704 or visit us at our website, www.commerce.com. Thank you.